Welcome to the Department of Microbiology and Biotechnology Center. This department was established in 1964 as a Department of Microbiology, where only post-graduation in microbiology was started initially, along with PhD in microbiology. This was started by late Professor V.V. Modi, who was the founder head of this department. And he headed this department almost till 1985. In 1985, our department achieved one milestone, and that is we got the biotechnology program, which was supported by DBT, that is Department of Biotechnology, Government of India. And since then, we have been running two MSc programs, that is MSc Microbiology, which was originally there, and MSc Biotechnology. Our student strength is 25 students for microbiology, and presently we have 30 students for biotechnology. And regarding the biotechnology program, right now it is coordinated by my colleague Dr. Devarshi Gajjar, who will be telling you details about this. And I will tell you overall about our department and the activities that we do here. So, the master's program that we have has a very strong focus on dissertation, which we do in-house out here, and all the students are given ample time to carry out their dissertation project. Besides that, we have a lot of other co-curricular activities which are part of the MSc coursework, that is seminar, project proposal, and paper presentations. These are all part of the MSc course. Our course actually requires personal skills to be able to do microbiological handling, whether it is needed in pharmaceutical industry or whether it is needed in any R&D lab. The person has to develop very good skills at working with the unseen organisms, which cannot be seen, but we have to cultivate them, we have to grow them, we have to maintain them, and we have to make sure one important thing in microbiology and biotechnology is that microorganisms are there ubiquitously. They are present in the air, they are present on our skin, they are, when we breathe or talk, our own microorganisms are spread in the air. So they have to learn how to work in a manner where these unwanted organisms are not introduced into the organism of study, and this is where they pick up these skills. Usually in the first year itself, these skills are mastered by the students, and later on we do a lot of other practicals with them, which involve molecular biology, where they carry out genetic engineering. They look at possibilities of altering the organism and making use of a microorganism for any technological advances, be it for the production of some molecules or some proteins. So these are the aspects that we teach them in both theory and in practicals. In addition to the masters, we have about 20 to 25 PhD students who are working at any given time in the department. So most of our staff members have research projects, and they carry out guideship and enroll PhD students. And our department has primarily, we work on various aspects of environmental and agricultural microbiology, and in biotechnology there is immunology projects that are going on with some of our colleagues, and there are projects on various other applicative biotechnology that are going on in the department. So the PhD students also get good career opportunities after that, both in industry or in academia. So we are presently 7 faculty members right now, and one faculty member has joined as FRP, that means the Faculty Recharge Program of UGC. And we have a very friendly atmosphere here with the students. We are open to discussion after the class with the students, and also all of us have dissertation students, so we have very routine interactions with our own dissertation students in terms of their planning of experiments and doing day-to-day activities. So our besides our curricular activities, we have some fun activities with the students. So we conduct quizzes in the department. Sometimes the quiz, mostly it is academic quizzes, but sometimes it can be some special quiz on a Republic Day, or on 15th August we have something related to some general topics, and we have Garba Day, the students play Holi. There are many ways in which the students not only bond among themselves, but they also form good interaction. This allows for a good friendly interaction with the teachers also. So I would like to introduce my colleague Dr. Devashi Gajjar, who is right now the coordinator of the biotech program, and she can give some more details about the biotech program.
Hello everyone, so I am here to tell you about the MSc Biotechnology program of the Department of Microbiology and Biotechnology Center. The MSc Biotechnology teaching program started in 1985, and since then we have been continuously running the program. Recently DBT funded the phase 2 MSc Biotechnology program. The students get enrolled in this program through the nationalized entrance test, which is called the Graduate Aptitude Test. This test is conducted by Regional Center for Biotechnology, Gurgaon, Faridabad, and students get enrolled through by passing this GAT-B exam. The special feature of biotechnology course is that we have great emphasis on applied aspects of biotechnology, which is applied immunology, applied vaccinology, vaccine production, nanobiotechnology, producing drugs using the nanobiotechnology, animal biotechnology, plant biotechnology. So all the applied aspects of pure sciences are focused in the curriculum of MSc Biotechnology. So students in MSc Biotechnology get a chance to do industrial training in various industries like nutraceuticals, pharmaceuticals, vaccine industries, milk products, dairy industries, and many other industries. Students get a chance to get industrial training, and also they get absorbed after completing their master's course. I would like to emphasize here that the students of this department are little different from the other departments is because we train them to be accountable and responsible. We allot a huge amount of responsibility as soon as the students are in the department, and I would like to give examples of these responsibilities that we have class in charges, we have glassware in charges, chemical in charges, fine chemical in charges, storeroom in charges, and you name it, we have notice board in charges as well. So it is the students who run the department, and it is the students who get trained while they are in the department, while they conduct and while they smoothly run the course and run the class like that. Satyam Shivam